Hi everyone. So today let's talk about how to use Discord age verification feature 2026. So to use this feature, one of the method is a facial age estimation, which is also a video selfie. This is the quickest option. The artificial intelligence technology processes the estimation entirely on your device in real time, meaning your biometric data never leaves your phone. So first, what you're going to have to do is trigger the prompt. Just head to your Discord app and then tap on the age restricted channel or server. Now a pop-up will appear stating that you must verify your age. Then choose facial age estimation or the video selfie from the list of available options. Now allow Discord and its verification partner, KID, temporary access to your phone's camera. Now look straight into your front facing phone camera and follow the on-screen oval guide. Then wait a few seconds for the local software to analyze and estimate your age group. Now the next method is a government-issued ID scan. If you prefer not to use facial estimation or if the system cannot accurately guess your age, you can submit an official identification card. Just choose Use Your ID on the Discord verification prompt phase and lay a valid government-issued photo ID like a driver's license or passport flat on a well-lit surface. Now use your phone's rear camera to take a clear, unblurred photo of the front and back of the card. Make sure that all text is completely readable. Now take a quick photo of your face so the system can verify you match the photo on the physical ID. Now submit the data. The automated system confirms your age and permanently deletes the ID data shortly after. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. See you in my next one.